Hello! In the first video, I'm going to introduce the interface of the User Experience Evaluation Toolbox via its main page, Content Box. In its main page, it shows all the sections of Toolbox, and also it provides brief info for the users. When we look at the layout of the first page, we see that there is a navigation pane on the left, and there is a header to showing the name of the tool and the essential information for the users as well. And the main part consists of the explanation boxes. Also, in the next worksheets, it could also consist of some tables, formulas, interactive forms, etc. If I summarize the content quickly, the first section, Guidelines, provides decision support for municipalities to plan a specific user experience research. And the subsections of this part is user input, which is an interactive, which includes an interactive form. And the second one is find parameters. And the last one is pick tools. And the second section provides a definition of methods and parameters structured within this PDEng project. In the third section, the proposed tools is introduced via description cards, survey templates, and formulas. In the last section, using all this content, overall user experience evaluation is provided via charts and tables. This part is still under construction. This is the summary of the toolbox. I'm going to introduce the first demo case in the next video.